Welcome. If you want to use one hand mode on your Huawei P30 Lite, open settings, click on the search, type here hand, enter one hand UI, click on the mini screen view, and right now, as you can see, there is two methods. So we are using the second because we have the navigation keys. So right now we have to just swipe on the left or the right. So let's try. Okay, and this is how it works. And if you wanna exit this mode, click on the arena outside here, and if you wanna turn it on the left side, just swipe to the left. And this is how it works. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to our channel.